18 Best Face Masks for Glowing Skin. Try at home. Dull skin, acne, dark spots, no worries. Today I'll share 18 powerful DIY face masks that will make your skin glow naturally. From hydration to acne control, anti-aging to skin brightening, these masks have it all. No chemicals, no expensive products, just pure natural skincare. Stay tuned till the end for the best mask for your skin type. Let's begin. Here are 18 amazing DIY face masks made from natural ingredients that can help with various skin concerns. 1. Chia seeds face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: hydrate skin, anti-aging, makes skin soft and glowing. Usage: 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Yogurt face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Benefits: brightens skin, reduces acne, hydrates deeply. Usage: 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Rice face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: exfoliates, removes tan, makes skin smooth. Usage: 2 times a week. 4. Aloe vera face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: soothes irritated skin, hydrates, reduces acne. Usage: daily or as needed. 5. Turmeric face mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: brightens skin, fights acne, reduces pigmentation. Usage: once a week. 6. Coffee face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yogurt. Benefits: exfoliates, reduces puffiness, improves blood circulation. Usage: 2 times a week. 7. Honey and lemon face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Benefits: brightens skin, fights acne, antibacterial. Usage: 2 to 3 times a week. 8. Oatmeal face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: soothes sensitive skin, reduces redness, exfoliates. Usage: 2 times a week. 9. Cucumber face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons cucumber juice, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Benefits: hydrates, reduces puffiness, soothes skin. Usage: daily. 10. Egg white face mask. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Benefits: tightens pores, reduces oiliness, firms skin. Usage: once a week. 11. Banana face mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: moisturizes, reduces wrinkles, smooths skin. Usage: 2 times a week. 12. Papaya face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons mashed papaya, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: brightens skin, removes tan, anti-aging. Usage: 2 times a week. 13. Avocado face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Benefits: deeply hydrates, reduces dryness, nourishes skin. Usage: 2 to 3 times a week. 15. Neem face mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon neem powder, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: controls acne, reduces inflammation, soothes skin. Usage: 2 times a week. 1 tablespoon neem powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt. Benefits: fights acne, antibacterial, purifies skin. Usage: once a week. 16. Besan gram flour face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons gram flour, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon milk. Benefits: brightens complexion, removes tan, controls oil. Usage: 2 times a week. 17. Charcoal face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon activated charcoal powder, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Benefits: removes impurities, deep cleans pores, controls oil. Usage: once a week. 18. Green tea face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon green tea powder, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: anti-aging, reduces redness, soothes skin. Usage: 2 times a week.